In this video, I'm going to show you how to access your Namecheap CPanel and log in quickly using the hosting dashboard. This is a simple step-by-step tutorial, and by the end, you'll know exactly where to click if you need to get into your CPanel for managing files, email, databases, domains, and more. If this video helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more easy tutorials just like this. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and go to your Namecheap account. Once you're signed in, look for the hosting area in your dashboard. You may need to go to the main menu or account section first, depending on how your interface is set up. From there, find and click on Hosting List. This is where all of your hosting plans are displayed in one place. After you click Hosting List, you'll see the hosting package connected to your account. Find the hosting plan you want to manage, and then look for the option that says Go to CPanel. This button will take you directly into the control panel for that hosting account. Now, if Namecheap asks you to log in again, don't worry. Just enter the username and password for your hosting or Namecheap account when prompted. This extra login step is normal and is there to make sure your account stays secure. Once you enter your details, click to continue, and the system will authenticate your access. After that, your CPanel will open and you'll be able to manage everything from your hosting dashboard. From here, you can access website tools, install applications, manage email accounts, upload files, and handle other hosting settings all from one place. That's really all there is to it. So to recap, sign into Namecheap, click Hosting List, choose Go to CPanel, and if prompted, log in with your account details. Once you're in, you're ready to manage your hosting with CPanel. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful how-to videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.